guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ken, and here on my channel I like to talk about everything from my sister locks to makeup all the way down to fitness. So if any of those three sparks your interest, make sure you keep watching. Let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, I know y'all are probably wondering, is this clickbait? No, it's not clickbait. This ain't for play.
Nope. Splash Brothers? Nope.
I wish it was. I really wish it was. And even if it was, I would tell y'all this clickbait. I'm just trying to get y'all to watch this video. Your girl lost the lock back in May or late April. I don't remember the exact day. It was like either late April or early May. It was definitely kind of like when we were still adjusting to being in quarantine. Yeah, I just didn't wrap my hair up that night. Didn't put a bonnet on, didn't do anything. I just had it up in a very loose bun, woke up the next morning, and there it was, staring at me.
Staring into my soul.
Your girl was on 10. All day. I was being extra, I cried. I told my husband, what's the point? I might as well just be bald at this point. So I tried to figure out where did the lock come from. It took me a long time, and then I found where it came from. Literally, this lock literally had to come out like from the root because I struggled. It was like maybe 5 pieces of hairs left, and yo, I tried like braiding it back on. It just wasn't gonna happen. I just left it alone. I was so sad. I watched videos after videos about reattaching locks, but because I just didn't have enough hair there, it wasn't long enough, and it wasn't like enough hair to even support the lock, which is probably why I fell out. I just gave up. I just gave up, and I couldn't go to my loctician because of course at that time nobody's taking clients, right? So I saved the lock knowing that at some point I'm gonna go to her. But the crazy thing was that was a lock that never gave me any issues. But no, it came from like this side. And so anyways, long story short, I finally go to my loctician and I show her and I tell her what happened. And she was like, yeah, there's not enough hair there to support the lock. There's one or two things we can do. A, we can wait and allow the hair to grow and then reattach the lock, or B, we could just go ahead and take the little bit of hairs that's left, let it grow for like a month or two, and then just attach it to another lock. I chose option B, and I'm gonna tell you why. I figured, well, if I'm already having trouble with this lock already, I might as well just go ahead and add that hair to that. Instead of trying to reattach a lock where it's in a position or in a place where it's not gonna thrive, I'm setting myself up for failure. Let's just attach the lock. So yes, I lost the lock, probably one of my biggest fears. That was like the one thing I didn't want to do, and lo and behold, I lost the lock. But also, this video is about my 15-month update. So I'm just shy about 2 weeks out from my 15-month anniversary, and I just kind of wanted to give you guys some updates, what I'm struggling with, what I'm not struggling with, those type of things. So the first thing, have I experienced any budding? No. The answer is no. I actually just went to my loctician last week for a retie. She told me not to worry about it and to just enjoy the season or the stage that I'm in. Because of my hair texture, it may be a while before I start budding. She also told me, hey, you may start budding next month, but your hair texture is softer. Ooh, that was nasty. But she did tell me that she was seeing some matting on the shaft of the lock, so that is a good sign. Very happy about that. I'm not in any rush for them to lock. Yes, I want them to be fully mature, but I'm okay with where I'm at right now. So I've definitely had a lot of thickening. I don't know if you guys can tell, but from January it's definitely gotten longer. It's definitely thickened up a lot, which is great. Now the next thing that I want to touch on is build up, and I have definitely been listening to you guys. So I have been doing the apple cider vinegar baking soda cleansing thing. What is that called? I have no idea what it's called, but I've been doing it and it works. It's just great. It's godsend. It's gotta be, because it is amazing. I do still struggle kind of like in the back and in the middle because I can't see there. So I'm definitely gonna be doing another one, but she did inform me to not do it so often because it does cause your hair to kind of dry out. So I'm gonna be doing it probably in the next week or so. And try to maybe only do it once every other month. Now, self-retightening. Now, the last Sisterlock video, I definitely told you guys that I was going to be self-retightening and only going to my loctician every quarter. Well, things change. People change. I had a change of heart.
Okay.
And I retightened my hair twice. It ain't for me. That's for the birds, baby. No. Now, I definitely had to do it during quarantine, which I did, and it turned out great. And she even said that I did a really good job, so that's good. But I don't know if I can self-maintain, y'all. I just don't have the time to dedicate to sit down and to do it. I literally was going past my 8 weeks. Like, there are times I was going 12. I think I only retightened it twice, and I went like to 12 weeks at one point, which is when I finally cracked down and was like, I need to call her because I can't do this no more. So I definitely cracked down and I was like, hey, this is what you do, girl. You the professional, not me. Take all my money here. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to come on and give you guys just a quick update on my 15-month kind of update. And I just want to also share that horrific story. Trust me, I will never ever go to bed again putting my hair in a bun or not putting it in some sort of protectant, whether it's a bonnet or it's wrapped up. I will never ever do that. But I promise y'all, if I lose one more lock, y'all gonna see me and I'm gonna be bald head. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in into my video. I appreciate all of the love and support again that you guys constantly show. Please make sure before you click out of this video that you definitely subscribe and you also hit that alert button so that way you can get alerted every single time I upload a video. I love you guys so much and God bless. Bye.